Well, we have an update from Hunter Lawrence himself on his Instagram, so I'm assuming that means that's probably gonna be the only thing we get. I doubt the team's gonna put out something after this, but who knows? If we have any updates after this, we'll continue to provide them for you. But from his Instagram, saying, quote, I call this the good night Tampa Bay. Bummed with how the night ended. Sometimes that's the nature of this beast and what can happen when you're 6 inches closer to where you shouldn't be. Doing everything I can to be back 100% healthy, and thank you to my team who have been working super hard to get me more comfortable on the bike. I really felt like we were about to crack it. So that obviously means he's still not happy with that bike, as was Jet before he got injured on it. And it's one of those little things. He was just barely not lined up for that jump. And of course, if you know, you're 3 or 4 inches off when you start, you're going to be super off when you land. And I mean, it sucks. The way his arm is kind of hanging low. I don't know if it's just a stinger, which is apparently the word of this year so far, or if it's something to do with the collarbone. Who knows? Like I said, if there's any updates that are provided after this from either the team or somebody else, we'll continue to show them to you as I get them. But it sucks. I mean, obviously, you never want to see anybody get hurt, especially with how bad it's been going for that family so far this year, or at least in the last month or two, with the whole lawsuit thing and then Jet getting injured. You never want to see anything like that. And sucks. I mean, at the moment, he's running 10th in the points at 62. So he's almost a full 40 points behind Sexton at the moment. I mean, he's still technically 9 points behind his brother who didn't even race in Tampa. So hopefully it is just, a hurt shoulder, a basic hurt, not a broken, not a tear, nothing like that. Hopefully, it is just a basic injury and he can be back for the next round and at least be competitive. But that is yet to be seen. And like I said, if there's any update from the team, from him, any sort of actual injury news, I will continue to provide it for you. But comment down below. Tell me what you think. Did you like Tampa? What did you think of the Roxon crash? What did you think of Mookie getting his first 450 win? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.